ladies and gentlemen, the Armenian yard-long cucumber plants right up this trellis right here. Would you look at that? We have one in the process of growing. We have another. We have another. And we have more. And we have one ready right here. Oh man. Y'all see that? This is an index card right here, a cheat sheet. It's 1, 2, 2 1/4 long index cards. All right, these Armenian cucumbers I have in 4-gallon black pots. These was like $5 at the big box store that starts with an L. This is all about the Armenian cucumber. I live in zone 6A, 6B border in Missouri, southwest Missouri, up about the top part. End of April 2021, I planted these in little red solo cups on my back porch here outside. I transplanted them into these big buckets, containers, 4-gallon containers, the first week of June 2021. So somewhere between the 5th and the 8th of June 2021. And today is August 2nd, almost 2 months later. And the plant has grown from little 6-inch plants in these containers to taking up this big old trellis right here. I have a couple of the cheap panels, one long way and then one standing up here. Pretty much taken over. And today, August 2nd, 2021, we're going to harvest our first Armenian cucumber. Armenian yard-long cucumber. I bought my seeds from rareseeds.com, which is Baker Creek. Not sponsored in them by any ways. Been pretty happy with all of their seeds I purchased from them. I purchased from the big box stores a little bit. And mygardener.com is where I like to buy seeds also. These reach over 2 feet, but it's best to harvest them about 15 inches long. The Armenian cucumber is genetically a melon, but they're a cucumber and they're melon form inside. So yeah, it's attached. You see that? Ain't no props or fake gimmicks on this. This is the little bug, or was the little bug that was, but is no more. So I forgot to bring my pruners or my nippers. Let's see if I can tear that without tearing the plant. All right. So I'm gonna have to get my pocket knife out. All the pretty flowers in Gear Guidance Garden says Gear Guiding Rocks, Gear Guiding Rocks. Armenian cucumbers. Oh yeah. Plated up. We got a Gerber shark belly, sheep foot. It is not the Tanto. See how easy that just sliced through? Let's slice it. That's pretty easy, not putting much pressure. Yeah, the knife is sharp. It could be sharpened though, but goes to show you these are soft. They feel hard, but they're really soft. Oh man. Now let's take a look. Oh, you see that? Oh yeah. Would you look at that? Here it goes. Real soft bite. Got a little bit of a crunch to it, like the skin. Tastes cucumber, but the skin is real soft, but it still has that crunch to it. This cucumber, pretty good. I'm glad I grew it so far. Hopefully I harvest about 10 more of these. If them sirens get close, I gotta go. But yeah, I thought I might have waited a little bit too long, judging by like the thickness and the light white. But no, still good. It's still good. This cucumber won't even need any salt. Y'all, if you're new, check them out. If you like what you see, subscribe. If you've been away for a while, well, come on back, you hear? If you're one of the ones that's been here for a long time, thank you very much. Y'all have a good one. Bye for now. Bye.